Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on the pound dollar, we got a nice lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. I still think this is likely a regular flat, mostly because of the area that this wave B turned in, and it's three waves down, three waves up. If that is true, I would be targeting at least 100% Fibonacci extension. So I do think there is a good chance it's going to take out these lows, and I think it's a good chance that it will, over the next couple of weeks, make its way all the way down to about the 1.3 area, maybe 1.305 area. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely very bearish. I'm definitely looking for shorts. I have my Fibonacci retracement on here because the Fibonacci retracement does normally act as area of resistance or support in this case. So definitely keep an eye on your fib levels. If it does pull back in one of these areas, I wouldn't look at it as a long opportunity. I would look at it as an opportunity to go short again at the continuation of the downtrend at the end of each pullback I see. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.